Welcome to DataTerrain. This presentation demonstrates the Crystal report to Power BI report conversion. We are using the Employee Details report to demonstrate the Crystal to Power BI conversion. This report uses an ODBC connection to retrieve live data from the database. Use the Employees table and database fields, connected directly to the data source, which stores information about employees. Edit the formula fields and parameter fields to see which formulas and parameters are being used in this report. Department and year prompt used in this report. Refresh report data and apply parameter to see how the report will look once it is run with real data in preview page. Export the report. Open Power BI Desktop, go to Get Data and select Data Source. And load the data. The Transform Data feature in Power BI, accessible via Power Query Editor, is used to prepare and shape data before it is visualized and analyzed, like data cleaning, shaping integration, type conversion, advanced calculations and filtering, and reduce the data. The data view that allows you to inspect and work with the underlying data in a tabular format. It is useful for reviewing, validating, and understanding your data during the data preparation process. Select the table visual and include the required fields. Create a new measure for title card. A slicer in Power BI is a visual tool that allows users to interact with reports by filtering data dynamically. Extract year from date column to create year slicer. Export the table visual. This concludes the walkthrough of converting a Crystal report to a Power BI report.
To get started, connect DataTerrain.com.